Wow.
That's super cool.
That is cool.
See all the stencils?
Oh, shit.
Eat them, bro. Eat them.
Well, listening to your favorite radio station.
I was just reading some comments on YouTube, and we have some very interesting comments that come through. It's very interesting, like how you put out content and things very easily get misinterpreted. For instance, the way that we communicate, right? We're so passionate about what we do and we love it, right? We're insanely passionate about our business, about nails, about the products coming out, about techniques that we're learning. A lot of times it gets turned and interpreted in the wrong way. And I think that's a topic that is important to probably discuss. Hopefully you continue watching. Hopefully you enjoy the content we put out. There's a select few that maybe do not enjoy the content, and that's totally okay. It really is okay. It's completely fine. Don't have an issue with it. That's life, right? That's just the way it is. Not everybody is going to be stoked by it. But we just give them love as well and hope that they don't stay angry. Lots of anger we're feeling. Negative comment people. Stop with the anger. Life is good. Everything's going to be all right. You don't have to spit so much anger. Just enjoy the videos and the nails, and especially the nails we're gonna do today. They're really good.
I think honestly, I think people mistake a lot of our energy and passion for like anger, or you know what I mean. We have a lot of passion here.
You would be angry too if you worked with these two all the time.
Oh,
We have so much fun.
We do. You can't. I mean, there's no controlling it. It's all good. But it's good to talk about. I think it's important for people to know, like, this happens to us all the time, and like I'm sure other people deal with it
a little sometimes.
Of course it does. That's normal, right?
The people that take it to heart, and then that stops them from posting and doing videos and putting themselves out there, because there's a lot of talented
I
people.
think there's a lack of understanding. If you're stopping what you're doing, and if you're talented and that's why you're stopping, what you don't understand is that's actually how it is for everybody.
Right.
You don't have the proper understanding that that's part of the game.
Right.
If you want to play in this field, you have to deal with it. It's human nature to see the negative, you know what I mean, like where that stings. But I think the proper way is like, no matter what, because we get a lot of positive comments too. No matter what, that could easily stop us. We could be like, oh my God, we're amazing. Let's not put any more content out.
Well,
like
that would be a lie.
But right, like people, we've seen that happen to people. Right. We've seen a lot of people come through our program where they started gaining a big following, and all that gets to your head, and then you stop producing, and then you become a different person,
right? You're like, I can't keep that kind of work up, or what if I post it now and nobody likes it, and I had all that love, and they kind of get messed up that way too.
That's what I'm saying. It goes both ways. Yeah. Like the hate or mass amounts of love. If you take too much of it either way to heart, you're kind of screwed. Like, you got to just keep plowing forward. Have we finished? Have we actually come to an end of prep? And are you ready? Where are you guys going? What the hell?
airbrush machine. Greg Salo.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Greg Salo.
Trying to do two things at once.
That's a sick design, man.
You know, I was telling Tracy.
Woo, Tracy, go!
I was telling Tracy that I'm actually giddy about doing this. Like, I'm
Like
excited.
giddy up giddy?
Yeah, like giddy up giddy. When you guys have an opportunity to work with it, you're gonna get pumped. Fades, reverse fades, color blocking, masking, like, and again, there's all different kinds of like 3D effects that you can create with spears. Like, it really is fun to work with. No messing around with this huge compressor, no cords, no loud, annoying sounds, portable, cordless, and really, really fun to use. I can't wait till you guys use it. It's so fun.
Can you spray paint my teeth, bro?
I am going to spray paint your eyes shut.